Hello, my name's Fritz Porter. I'm the quality manager here at GNB Corporation. At GNB we have a quality management system that is ISO 9001 certified and also has a ASME boiler pressure vessel U-stamp. At GNB, quality is more than a set of processes or written procedures. It's the passion each employee has in their work. People are proud of what they do here. They follow the processes, they follow the procedures, but they're proud of every single thing they make, inspect, package, and send to our customers. At GNB, when a product is found not to conform, it is immediately segregated and assessed by our qualified engineering department and the production staff to ensure that it meets the customer specifications. At GNB, our quality management system is comprised of 20 main processes and over 200 sub-processes. But primarily, each product is of the highest quality to satisfy our customers because our people who implement the processes have passion in what they do. From the point that a project is quoted by our sales department, the quality is ensured. The raw materials arrive at GNB and are inspected. They move into the manufacturing process, which includes machining, welding, detailing, and finally arrive at the final assembly and testing process, where they are tested, inspected to ensure the quality for our customers. Then the products are packaged and sent to our customers, where we anticipate their excitement when they open each package. It's not uncommon for customers to reach out to GNB exclaiming what excellent products we deliver to them. For more information, please contact us or call us. Our website's listed at the bottom of the screen.